In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a nice PowerPoint presentation. 2025, step by step. We'll walk through creating a clean professional deck right in your browser, from setting up your first slide to adding images, styling your text, and polishing everything with transitions. Start by opening your browser and searching for PowerPoint. Open the official Microsoft PowerPoint site and sign in with your account so your work saves and you have access to your files. Once you're on the PowerPoint homepage, choose Create Blank Presentation. This opens the editing workspace where you'll build your slides. Let's customize the background first. Right-click anywhere on the slide background. Move your cursor to the background options and open the arrow next to Solid Fill. Choose a color you like. As soon as you pick it, your slide background updates. A quick tip: pick a color that contrasts well with your text for readability, and stick to a simple palette for a clean look. Now add an image. Go to Insert, select Pictures, then choose this device. Browse your computer, pick a photo, and open it. To resize, click the picture and drag a corner handle to scale it without stretching. Place it where it supports your message without crowding the slide. High-resolution images and good margins make a big difference. If you see design suggestions appear on the right, that's PowerPoint offering layouts to enhance your slide. Scroll through and select a design you like, then click it to apply. You can always switch or turn it off later if you prefer manual control. Let's style the title. Click the title placeholder, type your title, then select the text. Open the font menu to choose a font style and adjust the size using the size dropdown. To change the color, open the font color menu and pick the shade you want. Aim for one or two fonts across your deck and keep titles large enough to read at a glance. When you're ready for the next slide, go to Insert and click New Slide. This gives you a fresh page to continue your content. From Insert, you can add a text box, table, pictures, cameo, video, audio, shapes, stock images, icons, smart art, or a chart. Just click the tool you need and place it on the slide. Keep layouts consistent from slide to slide so your presentation feels cohesive. Finally, add some movement with transitions. Click the Transitions tab and choose a transition that matches your style. Subtle transitions usually look the most professional. And that's it. Your presentation now has a custom background, images, styled text, additional slides, rich elements, and smooth transitions.